Hi everyone, welcome to Homebody. This is for Lisa. In this video, I am sharing a spring to summer table setting. Okay, love, so let me just briefly tell you what I have going on my orange spring to summer table setting. I am actually doing summer ideas, incorporating spring in those as well, since we're still in spring but we're going into summer. So I'm doing them both, which is working out fine on my end. So let's talk about this beautiful centerpiece here. So these beautiful lilies actually came from Walmart. The picks here actually came from Michael's last year. The lilies is from this year, and these are from last year from Michael's. This vase here is from Home Goods last year or either the year before. My pineapple candle holders are from Bath and Body Works. I've had them, I think this is going on the second year that I've had them. Now, I was in Bath and Body Works not too long ago. I didn't see the ones with the gold rim. I actually saw the ones with the green rim, which I wasn't too much feeling the green rim because you have to be mindful of what other color you mix it with. But the gold ones, you can mix them with any color. So if you see the gold ones, make sure you have a 20% off coupon and go for it. Grab you a couple because you're going to want two versus one. Now let's talk about the place setting. So the place setting here is the same place setting that I had with my previous table setting. The only thing that I changed out is the plate here, the charger here. I had an aqua tealish color charger. I've changed that out to gold, and then I actually had some teal napkins, and I've changed these out to orange. Now the placemat here actually came from Home Goods. This charger from Z Gallery. This placemat here came from Z Gallery. The beigeish, goldish looking one here came from Z Gallery. The plates was gifted to me by Stone Lane over on Instagram last year sometime. The orange napkins came from eFavorMart. I'll try to place a link if you want to shop eFavorMart. I'll place my affiliate link below. And these napkin holders here actually came from Hobby Lobby. My utensils came from CB2. I love them. They're so unique. I like how they have that collage effect here on the bottom section. And I also like the fact that they're mixed in with the chrome and the gold. So that's it for the place setting. This pillow here came from Instagram. A young lady, I purchased it last year. Her name is Moina Decor, and I actually ended up getting this on clearance. I think I paid about 10 bucks for the pillow covers. And actually it's the same pillows that I had in my teal table setting. I just changed out the pillow covers. The wine glass here actually came from Home Goods, and my table is from Wayfair, as well as the chairs and my bench. The rug is from Ruggable. I like it because you can wash it. And my, let's see here, my chandelier actually came from CB2 lighting, and I will place a link below to that just in case someone is interested. The wall art in the back actually came from Ross. I've had it for like a year or so, and it's actually 1, 2, 3, 4 panels that I just connected together. And if I move back over this way, I gave you guys a little snippet of my little kitchen vignette here. So let me just tell you what I have going on here. So these actually came from Michael's last year. This is actually a ice chiller that came from Z Gallery a few years ago. My fruit also came from Z Gallery about 4 years ago. The glam fruit oranges are from Michael's, and this super cute candle holder came from Bath and Body Works. Bath and Body Works have the most cutest candle holders, and my tray came from Home Goods. So that pretty much sums up my second spring to summer table setting. I hope that it inspired someone, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.